If you think you understand space, wait until you hear this. The universe is stranger than almost anything we could invent, and today we're going through 8 facts about it that sound completely made up, but every single one is real. Let's start close to home, with Venus. On Venus, a single day is longer than a whole year. The planet spins so slowly on its axis that it takes about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, while it only takes 225 days to orbit the Sun. So if you lived on Venus, your birthday would come around faster than sunset. Next, let's talk about something truly crushing. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of dead giant stars, and they are so dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons here on Earth. That's roughly the weight of every car in the United States crammed into a space smaller than a sugar cube. Here's one that sounds like fantasy but isn't. On Uranus and Neptune, scientists believe it actually rains diamonds. The extreme pressure and heat inside these ice giants can squeeze carbon atoms so hard that they crystallize into diamonds, which then fall like hail through the planet's interior. Speaking of diamonds, there's an actual planet made almost entirely of them. It's called 55 Cancri e, located about 40 light-years away, and researchers estimate a huge portion of its mass could be crystallized carbon. Unfortunately, its surface temperature is around 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not exactly a jewelry store. Now, something you've probably heard but might not fully grasp: in space, sound can't travel at all. Sound needs a medium like air or water to move through, and space is a near-perfect vacuum. That means if 2 spacecraft collided right next to you, you would see it happen in complete silence. Here's a strange one about our own Sunday. The light and energy generated at the Sun's core takes an incredibly long time to actually escape. Because the core is so dense, photons bounce around for an estimated 100,000 years before finally reaching the surface. Once they do escape, though, that same light only takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the entire solar system. It stands about 16 miles high, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, and it's so wide that if you stood at its base, the summit would curve out of sight over the horizon. And finally, astronauts who have gone on spacewalks report that space actually has a smell. When they remove their helmets after re-entering the airlock, they describe an odor like seared steak, hot metal, or gunpowder, believed to come from high-energy particles interacting with the fabric and metal of their suits. Space is genuinely one of the strangest places our minds can try to comprehend, and we've barely scratched the surface. If facts like these blow your mind, subscribe to the channel so you never miss an episode, and let us know in the comments which one of these surprised you the most.